In this video, we'll use ChatGPT for marketing. We wanted to write a social media marketing campaign plan for selling our product. In this case, let's imagine we are selling digital product, which is the course on business success and meditation. And you can see already that the plan is pretty generic, but I bet you can find thousands of websites on the internet offering the same quality of a plan, and some of them are even taking money for it. However, as an overview, yes, it can write you a social media marketing plan. And the more specific you go about this plan, the more specific outcome you should expect. And also, you can take each point of this plan and ask it to expand on it, which is another sort of quality of this chatbot. But let's imagine we're happy with the plan and we wanted to write a catchy slogan for one of our products. So let's imagine the product is something like organic snack bar made out of, let's say, grass. And let's see if it can generate slogans as good as or not as bad as the ones we see in the commercials. Let's check it out. So, nourish your body one bar at a time with our organic grass-fed snack bars. Not too bad. Grass-fed, goodness in every bite. I think it just takes some well-known slogans and turn them into our, or relates them into to our product, which is once again very common technique done by humans as well. And the last example, we'll ask it to provide us with, let's say, a few product ideas, not simple ideas, but for our lingerie line that is made solely for cats. Let's see if it can give us some good ideas. And the first one is a lace cat collars with matching leash sets, satin and lace cat nightgowns. Not too bad. We can start our own collection. Definitely, it's going to be something new on the market. But here you go, using ChatGPT for marketing tools.